welcome back. It's been a minute since I've whipped out my camera to vlog, but I'm going to meet my best friend for brunch today. She just came back from her trip to Ethiopia, so we're just gonna catch up and everything. And I wanted to show you guys my outfit. So I'm actually wearing ColourPop's tinted moisturizer, which fits me. I did a pretty good job at finding my shade. And then their new Pretty Fresh concealer. Of course, eye makeup, all ColourPop mascara is Monsieur Big. My arm hurts. Monsieur Big Lips ColourPop. And then I used the setting spray. Yay! I'm getting into setting sprays. And then earrings from Shein. And jumpsuit I will show you is from my job called Pink Sky Boutique. And shoes are from Poshmark? I think, yeah. So sunglasses are from Korea, but I'm gonna clean up my room today, so just yeah. But anyway, I love this jumpsuit. It looks better in person, kind of looks in the camera. But and then my clutch from a showroom I went to when I went on a buying trip a few years ago. So very fun for spring. Kind of too early, but I don't care. I thought it went with the outfit pretty cute. The white's a little off, but that's okay. But let me head out of the house. Be late. Bye. I didn't feel like vlogging, but the birthday girl told me to, so I look like I'm like drunk or something.
Did I do this?
Huh?
Did I do the door open?
Yes, you did.
No, we're going. What would you like to say?
I don't know how to twerk.
We're 25 this year. All of us are.
Shut up. No, stop it.
Wait.
What? I don't want like this
She turns into a
PSA.
werewolf last.
So I'm the oldest of this year, and then Grace in May, and then Kimberly June the 22nd has Cancer.
My emotional self.
The emotional one. And
What
I'm
am I?
Aquarius, the aloof one.
What am I?
You're actually the emotional one.
The actual emotional.
Also, Nicole, oh, I'm so dark in here. Nicole is the one that made my banner. Yay!
Oh, did you upload it?
Not yet. I actually need to. I tried to do it on my phone just now, but you can't do it on your phone.
Which
so.
one did you go with?
The ones with the shapes. Of course I'd like that one. Yeah, that was my favorite
I
one.
sketched them out.
Yeah. What are you doing? Why aren't you paying attention to me? Why don't you say anything? I'll zoom in on your face.
I have camera anxiety.
You have stage fright. I thought you were actually saying something. Oh my gosh, look at the cinnamon bun. Compared to my food. Hey guys. So my mood is kind of because I'm coming off the Kobe Bryant story. Very shocking. R.I.P. and my prayers go out to his family. I think for me, I'm a child when it comes to death, really. Like, you just imagine that one day that person is just gonna appear in front of you again. Not in heaven, but like just on earth, you know. Anyways, so I wanted to take you guys along on cleaning. I have a few things to do today. It's already 4 o'clock. I already started, so I got a new video up, so go ahead and watch that. I already started the process of cleaning the bathroom, took my towels out. I already washed the shower curtain and the mats, and I'm just doing a little air dry on the shower curtain to shake all the water off. No heat, of course. And so yeah, I'll take you guys along with me cleaning the bathroom. So let's go. I'm hungry too. So first, face mask. I don't know where my other one is. I have my black pink, but where's my cook? We'll go with the today. Gotta protect the hands from the harsh chemicals. Let's go. I know I look ratchet, but I'll fix it later. Oh, I need to change into shorts.